In this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate apps on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And here on that screen you can see TikTok, Snapchat and Facebook apps, and now let me show you how I will duplicate that icons. So first of all, swipe to the very right screen and then make one more swipe to open up app library. Here you need to do that to add new icons on your home screen. See how it works. So I open up my app library and here I got TikTok. I just tap and hold on that icon and then I can place that icon right here on that screen. Also I can open up my app library again and I can add Facebook right here. Then tap done and now I see that Facebook icon was added. Right here I can replace it between screens and now I see Facebook and TikTok, and now I can see that Facebook and TikTok already exists on that screen. Honestly, that's not the different apps. That action don't duplicate that app, but this action adds one extra copy of your app on your home screen. If I open up that TikTok application or that TikTok application, now I open the same TikTok with the same specific account logged in. So that's how it works. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.